Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Lila Web Dev. Today we are diving into one of the most important components in the Android development. That is nothing but the text view. So if you are new to Android Studio or just getting started with Kotlin, so this is a must watch tutorial. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to create, customize and program text views like a pro. Let's get started. So first things first, so I already have a project, so that's why I am using the existing project. So if you haven't any project means just you can create a fresh project to work with. So you can open the Android Studio and go to the file new project and choose the empty activity and click on next. So like that. So I already did lots of time this time, so that's fine. So fine, let's jump into the fun part, creating the text views. First of all, before continuing, so we need to know what is exactly a text view. So what is this text view? It is a component that displays the text to your users. Think of it as like a label on your screen or a place to show calculation results, notifications, or any text information. It is probably the most commonly used component in the Android development. So mastering the text view is essential. So now text view, let's open our layout file. So here this is our layout file. Okay. In the project panel on the left side, app res layout, double click on that one. So you'll be able to see this animation.xml file. Okay, activity underscore main.xml file. This opens our design area where we will build our user interface. First, let's make this look like a real phone. So click on the device, something like, and you can use the system UI so that it will show you like a real device. Fine, right? So now what I want to show you is there are two main ways to add the text views to your layout. Let's start with the easiest one, drag and drop. Okay. See that super simple. Just drag from the palette. So here this is our palette, and in this one you will be having the text view, and just drag and drop the palette and drop it anywhere in your layout. So here anywhere in your layout you can drop it here. So you can even drop it directly in the component view also. So for example, if you want to drop it directly in the component view also, so you can drop it. So if I delete this one, and here in the component also you can drop it directly. So that's it. So here you will be able to see the text view. Okay. So the text is text view by default, but we can change that one anytime. So fine. Let's move on to the next one. All right, let's switch to the code view. So here let's switch to the code view, and let's click the code button up here. So choose split to see both the design SEOs, whatever the things you want, you can do it. To add a text view using the XML, you need to open your constraint layout tags. So here in between this one, so here you can remove this automatically. Okay. So this is our constraint layout, and in between this constraint layout, we need to write the code. So here what we can do in order to create the text view. So you can take the text view, and here you need to mention the layout width. So you can give the match parent and wrap content, and here you need to give text, and the text is equal to hello world. So this is the thing which I will be trying to give you, text view. Okay. So now I am using the wrap for both. So we can use the wrap content for both also. So we can use it. Okay. So we can use it like this. So finally we are adding the Android text hello world also. Let's try to see the design view of the output. So where it is. So here at the top, you'll be able to see this hello world. So fine. So before we go further, let's talk about the sizing. So when we set the width and height to wrap underscore content, the text view actually automatically adjusts to fit its text perfectly. See how it automatically resizes if I change the text something to longer, like hello to hello world. So here you will try to see hello world to hello world to the human. So if I try to click it, see automatically that size has been resized, the text has been resized. So if I make the font bigger means, so if I try to make the font around 20 sp or something like that, so then also it is fine. So here you can also use the match parent to make it stretch across the entire screen width. So here you can select the match parent, and it will stretch across the thing. Okay. Or give specific values like 150 dp or anything for exact sizing, you can do it. So you can try experimenting with this one. Since we are using constraint layout, we need to position our text view properly. Otherwise, it will stick to the top left corner. We already seen when you are running the app. Drag your text view to where you want to put it, then connect it to the constraint that handles the parent edges. This tells exactly where to place it. You can also use the attributes panel to fine tune it. So here you can use it something like this. So that's it. So now here I want to place it. Fine, right? So now, okay. So fine. The layout margin controls spacing from the edges. Higher numbers move it further away. You can set margins for the top. So here you can able to see. Let's try to make it as a wrap content. This one also. Okay. And I want to place it here. Fine. And for this text, if you want to give the margin means, so you can go here and you can give the margin also. Margin top, margin padding. So here you can give the padding, horizontal padding, these things also you can give it. So like this layout margin. So here you will be able to see the layout margin. And if I click on this one, see here, you'll be able to see the margin and all those things. Fine. Here is an important thing you need to understand: margin versus padding. This sounds similar, but it will do different things. Padding controls the space between your text. So here you have the padding, right? Padding horizontal. If I try to give 10 sp, see here the padding gives you horizontally. So here and here it is giving you. And where if I add 25 dp or something like that RSP, the text moves 25 pixels away from the left edge. Padding top, padding vertical. So here also if you try to give 10 dp, so then also it is moving away. So here if I try to give 10 dp, yeah, here like this, so it will give you the thing. Okay, let's try to remove this padding for this one. So I would be trying to remove the padding so that it will be exactly, yeah. So now you can also style the attributes panel. So the attributes panel is your styling superpower. Let's customize the style color. So now I will change the text size from 14 sp to 20, where it is our text size. So here somewhere you will be able to have stop. You will be having, I think, the common attributes. So here these are the common attributes, and you will be able to see the font size or text size wherever it may be. So let's try to check it. So I'm not able to see that one. Where I have written this one. If you want to know, you will declare attributes. Okay, fonts view. So somewhere here it will be. I'm unable to find it. Let's go to the code view. So here I have given the text size, right? So I can give the 30 24 sp or something like this. So whatever the thing you want to give, you can give it. Okay, let's try to make it as a 25 dp or anything, or sp. Background color also you can check, you can test it. So here if I want to apply the background color, so here you will be able to see the background color, and if I want to change that background color to some other color, I can change it. Okay, now I can change the text color also. So I want to change the text color. So where could be is this one. Here only it will be there. Focusable font, gravity. This gravity is nothing but first one. So where to place it? So here you will be having the text size, target text. Okay, text color. So here you'll be able to see the text color, and this text color, so where you want to keep it. So I want to show it as a white text color. I can show it as a white. And if you want to make this one as a center, so you can check the gravity. So here you have somewhere I have shown you the gravity, right? Here only I have shown you the gravity. Somewhere we are able to find that gravity also. Foreground gravity. This, right? Change it. I want to check the gravity. Yeah, here. So this gravity, what I want to do, so I want to make this one as a center. Okay, so this text will be in the center. and the padding I have reset it. So look at the transformation, all these changes automatically. So for example, if you are having mm, so like we'll try to see. So you can do everything through this panel, or right, you can also write the XML directly. Before we jump to the Kotlin code, we need to give a text view an ID. So I already given the text view an ID. I'm thinking, so okay, I have given to hello text. Okay, so this is the ID which I would be trying to give it. So now let's switch to our code file. So how the code file look like. So now here I have refactored it. So now if you try to check the code file for this one, let's try to go to our Kotlin file. So here in this Kotlin file, you will be able to see the code file, right? So this is our code file. Okay. So now what I would be trying to do it is, so here you are able to see this one, right? Let's try to see it. So now here I would be trying to give a quick explanation to this one. Every Android activity will have a life cycle. The on create. So you are able to see this on create, right? So this on create function is the first one that runs whenever your app starts. It is a perfect place to set up your UI components. So fine, inside our class, let's create a variable that hold our text view. So I can give something like private latent where I can give something like my text of type text view. That's it. So I have created a variable inside our class. So the latent keyword, let's Kotlin that we will initialize this variable later. So that is the main thing. And now here we don't forget to import the text widget. So in android.widget.textview is automatically imported. So just if you get an error means just you need to make sure that we need to import it. So now the exciting part is connecting our XML text view to our Kotlin variable. So here in this our thing, so set content view and all those things is there, right? I will be trying to remove this one all. So I don't know what is this one all. So let's try to write here. So here I would be trying to capture that XML file. So what I can do it is my text is equal to find view by ID, and here I would be trying to give something like r dot id dot, and here you will be able to see hello text. So we have given our thing. So now we got it. Inside on create after set content view, so you are able to see it, right? We use find view by ID to connect our variable. Pass it the ID we created r.id.hello text. The r represents the resource variable. Okay, the resource the r represents the resource folder. ID represents the IDs and the text exam, and here the hello text represents our specific ID. Now our Kotlin code can control the text view we designed in the XML. This is the bridge between the design and the functionality. Fine, let's program the text view. Let's see this in action. So let's try to type my text and watch the magic. Android Studio shows us every method we can use it. So here if I try to do my text dot, so here if I try to press enter, so here you'll be able to see all the different types of methods that are available in this one. So like this you can able to see after you get it autocomplete for everything. So let's try to change the text color to black using the set text color. So here I can use the set text color. Okay, so I want to change it to color to black. So here I can use color dot black. So I will be using the color dot black. That's it. So now I will be changing it to color dot black. So now let's try to run this demo. So normally I have given the red color, right? So let's try to see whether it can be converted into black color or not. So here if you try to see, it has been changed into black color. So now what I want to do is I want to make it as a little bit interactive. So whenever on click listener, so whenever I click on this text, so I want to change the text color to white and also the background color to black. So let's try to see it. So here if I want to listen to this one, my text dot set on click listener. Okay, so this is what I want to use it. So here I would be trying to use this one. So So set on click listener like this, and here I can write my text dot, my text dot set text color to color dot white, and I want to set my text dot set background color to color dot black. Okay, so this is the thing which I want to do it. Now let's try to rerun this code. So let's see how it will look like. So I am rerunning this one. So now we are adding the onset listener with curly braces. So any code inside these braces runs when someone taps on the text view. Let's change the text to white and a black background. If I try to click on this one, see it has been changed to black and also white. So beautiful, right? Now our text view responds to our user interaction. This is how you create dynamic engaging apps. So that's it. Before we wrap up, so here are 3 quick tips you need to remember. Always give your component IDs if you plan to control with them with the code. Use wrap underscore content for most text views. It automatically sizes perfectly. And don't forget to test on different screen sizes. What looks good on device, what might not on another. And remember, practice makes the perfect. So try creating different text views with various styles and functionalities. So that's it, guys. Our complete guide to the Android text views. From drag and drop to Kotlin programming, I have shown you. You now have all the tools to create amazing text displays in your apps. So if you found this helpful, smash the like button and subscribe for more Android development tutorials. Drop a comment telling me which component you like the most, buttons or something like that. So let me know. So thanks for watching. Happy coding, and I will see you in the next video.